Now let's say we have a div and it has an x data. Uh, Within this, we will define a property. Let's say we'll define a property technology, which would be an array. And within that array, I'm going to define Alpine, Larval, and Livewire. I'll close the div over here. What I want to do is I want to display these values in a list in a UL. So I'll define the UL tag, and then I'll have a li tag where I want to display all these technology. So what I will do is I'll use the template tag, and within the template tag I will use this export directive, and I will loop through the technology. I'll use T in technology, and I'm going to close the template tag over here. And within the li tag, what I can use X text, and then I can display T. So now if I reload it, we see that we have all the three values which were in the list being displayed. So that is how export directive can be used in Alpine JS.